I'm reporting from a house right in front of Bilal Mosque here in Muzaffarabad, the capital of Azad Kashmir, which was hit during Wednesday's Indian strikes inside the Pakistani territory. But smoke is still visible from the building. The house I am standing in was also damaged and a young girl was injured. Locals told me there were 5 blasts and civilian casualties here, but officials have not confirmed the number yet.
हम लोग यहाँ पे सोए हुए थे तो इतनी देर में एक बम ब्लास्ट हुआ तो हम लोग उठे। तो जब हम उठ के फैमिली को मैंने उठाया तो इतनी देर में तकरीबन मिनट 1.5 मिनट के वक्त बाद दूसरा बम ब्लास्ट हुआ। बाकी महल्ले के लोग भी जम हो गए तो 5वां ब्लास्ट भी हो गया और 5 के 5 इसी मस्जिद के ऊपर हमारे।
Traffic is thin in Muzaffarabad today. Schools are closed, as are some businesses, though some shops are still working. Both private and government offices have seen low attendance today.
जी बिल्कुल वो जारी हैं, चूँकि ज़ाहिर है ये मिसाइल अटैक था, उसके बाद जो भी डेब्रिस वगैरह होता है या दूसरा जो क्लियरिंग का जो प्रोसेस है वो जारी है। बम डिस्पोजल वाले दूसरे तीसरे वो करने के बाद फिर जो है वो डेब्रिस रिमूव की जाएगी।
In the worst military escalation in decades, Pakistan has said India hit 6 locations in its territory with 26 civilians killed. India says it hit terror camps at 9 sites. The world is watching closely, and it remains to be seen if limited tit-for-tat actions suffice the appeasing both countries' domestic political constituencies and hyper-nationalist foreign policies, or if it leads to a broader escalation. Usama Khaja, Arab News, Muzaffarabad.